Cooking away alcohol. When you cook with wine or spirits, when does the alcohol cook away? Obviously, high temperatures will do it, but how low of temperatures will work? Also, does it vary by the type of alcohol?
You will never fully cook away alcohol, only reduce the amount. See alcohol retention in food preparation, see link 1. Or for the quick table, see Wikipedia, see link 2. They covered this on an episode of America's Test Kitchen, and concluded that surface area matters, see link 3. A wider vessel would cook off more alcohol. It wasn't just a function of time. A study conducted by the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Nutrient Data Laboratory calculated the percentage of alcohol remaining in a dish based on various cooking methods. The results are as follows. Preparation method and percent of alcohol: retained alcohol added to boiling liquid and removed from heat, 85% alcohol flamed, 75% no heat, stored overnight, 70% baked, 25 minutes, alcohol not stirred into mixture, 45% baked, simmered, alcohol stirred into mixture, 15 minutes 40%, 30 minutes 35%, 1 hour 25%, 1.5 hours to 20%, 2 hours to 10%, 2.5 hours to 5%. These data come from the USDA Table of Nutrient Retention Factors Release 6, see link 3. PDF. The information is in the table on page 12 of the document, page 14 of the PDF file. In case that link goes dead, sorry that the screenshot is somewhat small. See link 4.